Okay, Internet, let's see if you can figure out a problem for me. I am installing these brake and turn signal combination strip lights, and I have a problem. The running lights on this one aren't turning on. More than that, they aren't turning on when I have it connected to the bike. However, if I connect a 9-volt battery to the correct terminals, it turns on just fine, just like it's supposed to. All the other lights work when connected up to the bike. Everything works correctly except this. Now, I've got a second one of these on the other side, right here. This one's hooked up to the bike power, and this is hooked up to the running light power. Or it is now, because I've been switching between them to see if that was the problem. It's not, because they both work. On this particular light, which is located right here, actually still in the bag, this light turns on just fine. And it doesn't matter which terminal I use. I could use this one, or, see how it turns off? Or I can use that one. What's going on? I have no clue. You saw it turn on, then there's a brake light setting too. There's a completely separate wire for brakes. That turns on just fine. Because it's disconnected so that I could plug in the battery, or run the battery terminal, I can't show you that also works. Just take my word for it. Everything works on this except the running light when it's connected to the bike. This one works 100% perfectly. There's zero things wrong with it. So, I will leave that up to you. Oh, and if anybody's wondering about this mess, that works fine. I've had this problem before that mess. Yeah, that's not a problem. I'll probably clean this up later. But yeah, what's going on?